Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 4A Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has an okay amount of space for everyone.
Now this is a very interesting room because this specific room is part of what people are calling the bump out on the Wish. It's basically a part of the ship where everything kind of curves, so the verandas get a little bit bigger. These rooms are still Category 4A, like she said. They cost the same as the other 4As, but it just has a little more space out on the veranda. If you want to see a normal veranda, that tour is linked in the description below.
Let's go check it out.
All right, when we first come into the room here, over on the left, we have our closet space. It's actually 3 separate sections of the closet. The first one has a closet rod with hangers, a few Disney Cruise Line robes there, and some storage space down below there for your luggage. The middle section here has some shelves that you can use for storage. It also has your in-room safe built in down there. And in the last section of the closet, we have an additional closet rod with some hangers, and we have storage space down below for your luggage and that ladder for the pull-down upper berth that we'll see here in just a moment. On the end of the closet space, we have some shelves they kind of built in there, just utilizing that extra space down here at the end of the closets. We have a split bathroom layout here in this room. The first half of the bathroom is where you're going to find a vanity and a toilet. You've got just a little bit of counter space on the vanity, not a whole lot. You have the liquid hand soap there, some storage down below, and you'll see the orange light right there below the vanity. That's actually a night light that you can control with a switch on the wall. Super handy, so you don't have to blind yourself in the middle of the night here. We've got some shelves on the wall on the right. We have the lighted mirror there, and then we have some additional shelves over on the far wall. The second half of the bathroom is very similar, except we have, of course, our tub and shower in there. They have a glass door for the tub and shower. You can swing it in or out to open it up. We have the H2O refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and we have a single detachable shower head as the option in here. And of course, the full tub here in the room. We have a lighted mirror with a couple shelves that have some lotion and washcloths and things on them. We have a vanity in here that has a little more counter space than the other half of the bathroom, and then some storage right there down below on one side with a trash can on the other. Our full-length mirror here in this room is also on the back of the door there to that half of the bathroom. And in the main part of the room, we have our bed, which is a queen-size bed. It is raised off the ground, so you have storage space underneath for your luggage. There's a bed runner down here that has the Disney Wish logo on it and the Disney Cruise Line logo patterned across it. We've got a TV at the foot of the bed as well. That is the only TV here in the room. It is stationary on the wall and it does not pivot or tilt around for the other half of the room. And then the bed headboard in this particular room, the theming is Little Mermaid. You have a beautiful, beautiful mural there, and the light shining down on it right in the center, kind of making it sparkle a little bit, can be independently controlled from the switches on the bedside. We found a couple little Mickey heads right here in the corners of the pillowcases, and also on the lampshades next to the bed. When you turn the light on, Mickey kind of shines through there. There are little reading lights as well on each side of the bed that you can turn on and off. And then this side of the bed has a 220 outlet with 2 USBs right on the little shelf there. The other side of the bed has the same setup, except for it has different outlets there. Instead of 220, you have 2 regular wall outlets, again 2 USBs and a USB-C this time. We have a curtain to divide the room in half if you'd like, and then on the other half of the room we have our 3 other beds. First, we have the couch that folds down into a twin-size bed, folds right on top of the couch so it doesn't take any additional floor space. We have the upper berth, the top bunk that your stateroom host can assist you with. That's where that ladder in the closet comes into play. And then we have the Murphy bed over on the far side of the room. That folds down, and of course your stateroom host will help you with that as well. And when that is folded down, the only thing to mention is that it will block access to the veranda pretty well, so it's hard to get around that to get out to the veranda if you have the bed down. We have a little table here by the couch that I love tucks up underneath the couch to keep it out of the way. A really pretty picture of Ariel here, and you can actually buy that in the gift shop. They have a lot of the art from around the ship available on demand that you can order and have sent to your home. Across from the beds and couch here, we have our dresser. We've got several drawers on the dresser, just a little bit of storage there, the shelves on the back wall, and that lighted mirror. And you can see right here, this little drawer, this is where you're gonna find your hair dryer in the room. That actually plugs into a 220 outlet, so they have one right here for you with the 2 USBs on top of it. They also have 2 regular outlets, 2 USBs and a USB-C on the set above that. And then your mini fridge is actually a drawer in this room. So you can see the guests went ahead and brought some drinks, some water. You can see how that fits in there. It actually holds a decent amount for being just a drawer. It's just a unique setup for the mini fridge here on the ship. We do have a connecting door to the stateroom next to us, and then we have some art on the wall with Flounder and Sebastian, the cute line art drawing there. And then next to the Murphy bed, we do have just a little bit of additional storage, a small little closet with some shelves in there that you can utilize in that little space. Now our veranda is a bump out veranda, as we called it. It's not really the official name, but if you look at the ship deck plans, you'll see there's kind of a wave or a curve to the ship. And the verandas that are out on that curvy part of the ship have some additional space. So this one isn't quite the center, it's not quite the biggest one, but you definitely have more space here than a standard 4A category room. If you want to see what those verandas look like on a regular 4A, we've got a tour linked in the description and you can check that out. But there's a little bit more room. I'd say probably about where the chairs are sitting. At the very front of that chair is where the veranda should end, but instead we have extra space here. So we've got the plexiglass to look through when you're sitting down there. Overall, a really great veranda for being just considered a regular 4A like all of the others. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 4A Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with a veranda here on the bump out section of the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out the channel for tons of other stateroom tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.